over here you can see that I have a blank project in Adobe Photoshop Elements. And now what we're going to do is we're going to see how we can hide, unhide, lock, and unlock layers. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto the shape option and click and drag around the shape right here. And you can see that a shape is made. I'm going to go around and click and drag around another shape over here as well. And for this, let me just apply another style so that we can visually differentiate it. So now I'm going to go around over here on the move tool right here. And once we do that here, you can see that we can easily move out these layers right here. But sometimes you want to fix out a layer in a particular location. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply lock the layers. So to do that, I'm going to select a layer that I want to lock. And over here, what I'm going to do is click on the lock button right here. Once you do that, you can see the lock icon on that layer, and you cannot move out the layer anymore, but only move out the layer that is over here. So that is unlocked. You can go around and lock it out to lock it in place as well. So this prevents accidental movement. If I were to click on the lock right here, the lock icons, then I'll be able to unlock it and I'll be able to move out the layers freely once more. So what you can also do is you can hide layers. So instead of deleting out a layer, you can hide the layers just by clicking on the eye icon right here to hide it temporarily right here. The layers are still there, it's just hidden. So you may not be sure whether you want to use a particular layer or not, then you can simply hide them out without deleting them as well. And that is how you can hide, unhide, lock and unlock layers inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.